Hello everyone. So here in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to solve the problem with the GoPro battery. So basically, GoPro battery, if you have an old GoPro, the battery dies soon. Okay, and you get the overheating issue a lot of times. So in order to solve that, if you have an old version GoPro and you're not willing to buy a new one, for example, so with this set of tools, we can find a fluent solution for the GoPro problem. So what we're gonna need is a power bank, basically 10k milliampere, and we need the GoPro chest mount if we need to, or like a stable support like that, the one in the video, and we're gonna need a cheap Type-C cable. So here I'm gonna show you how it works. So see, now I'm not going to use the GoPro battery, so they are expensive, and also they die like very soon, so they doesn't last too much. So with this approach you can like record for hours without the need of, without first you're not going to see the overheating issue, and then you can record even until your like your storage memory card is full. So of course we're gonna need another thing, small thing, is cycling shirt. So this is for cyclists, for example, or if you are going fishing, so you can wear that. It has some useful pockets, so we're gonna use that to do the installation of our setup and to solve the battery issue. So basically we're gonna put our GoPro on the chest mount, and we're gonna plug the Type-C power bank, and then we're gonna see how this works. So now, as you can see, I have the GoPro here. I'm gonna remove this little gauge here, so it's easy to remove, and you will be able also to put it back. So for now I'm gonna save it on somewhere on the GoPro box or somewhere. So since if you're going, for example, to dig on the washer, you're gonna need to have this door closed. Now we're gonna put the GoPro support in here. So we're gonna put the GoPro in the support, and of course we're not going to plug the battery. As you can see now, the battery is empty, so we're not putting the battery on the GoPro. So you can go and you can plug the GoPro on, you can put the GoPro on the support, and then after that what we are going to do, so we're gonna use our power bank, and we're gonna plug the GoPro directly with the power bank without the battery. So make sure to have a lightweight power bank, 10,000 milliampere or less, it can work well. I tried that already with GoPro 5 and it's working fine. So we're gonna plug it with the Type-C port, alright, as you can see, and then once plugged, the power bank turns on, and then so on I can turn on the camera as well. As you can see, it's turned on quickly, so no battery in there, you can see that. And now we can start recording if we want to. So, and it's working 100%, no issue, no overheating. So I use it to get overheating issue after 1 minute, sometimes 5 minutes. Now no overheating issue. I have already tested that. I was on a downhill and I on my bicycle and tested that. So about 20 minutes or 18 minutes of recording non-stop with 2.7K 30 fps, and it's working fine. And as you can see now, we can record, and also we can save. We can go to the recording, no issue at all. We can open the recording, see our video and all. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to install this quick setup in order to to overcome the battery issue. So as you can see now, I'm wearing a bicycle shirt, so I'm gonna try to install the chest mount and go with the rest of the installation of the camera. So basically the bicycle shirt has some back pockets and they can be very useful. So if you are cycling or going fishing, so maybe you need to use, like, you can get, or the use of these pockets will become in handy. So so here, as you can see, I installed the chest mount. Then you see the camera is on. So I can put the power bank on the back pocket, as you can see. So, and I can like go and record as much as I want, without any issue and without the battery. So if like the cable is bothering you or something, you can put it inside under the belt, the chest mount belt, and then you see you can move freely without any issue, basically, and you can record and without any problem. And this one come in handy sometimes if you're outside and you want to do and you're planning to record some footage on your camera, but at some points you had some battery issue or something and you can no longer have or take some footage with the camera, so you can do this workaround to solve this problem. So this is for like if you are fishing or on a motorcycle or standing and doing some recording while standing. So if you are on the bicycle, you will need to switch the position of the camera. And so with the same way, you can just do the installation, put the power bank on the back pocket, install the Type-C cable on the camera. The camera will turn on eventually, so quickly, and you can record whatever, how much footage you want to record. So now I'm gonna talk about the cycling shorts. So basically they can come, you combine used ones with low price to just overcome this for this workaround, and become with many styles, and for each weather you can find the right cycling shirt. And here, so I hope this video is like of a great use for you, and I hope it will help you to I hope this workaround will help you and work for you 100% for endless recording without any issue. Thanks a lot.